Hello and namaste from abroad. Today I, Pravriti Pal from No Other Places, bring a unique concern about all the international students or people who are planning to come US, that from where they gonna buy your clothes at a cheap price. Definitely I'm talking about the middle class families, people who like usually go to Sarojini or Bandra for the shopping purpose. But here the catch in US. So I know in US you majorly concerned about that are we going to have only branded, and if it's a brand then obviously there's a less number of choices of getting stylish clothes, and at the same time you also concerned about the price tag of that. So here I bring a two website that majorly you can use for it. Is first one is the Shein and the second one is Temu. So first disclaimer, so these websites are majorly those who are like in a news that they usually leak your document or in your information. So make sure, be aware of it, and then use it if you come here. And secondly, I say that if you want to be on a safer side, just use your number that is not in use and not attached with your bank account or SSN. So in that case you will be mildly safe with these kind of fraud. Thirdly is that why I usually go for a Temu or Shein is only because their clothes are very cheap. Like it's similar to the price of the Sarojini Nagar in the product we got a clothes. I'm not talking about the 10 rupees of clothes. I'm talking about the 200 or 300. Like you gonna get a $2 $3 of clothes here as like a beautiful top. And even I can say that this top is also from a Temu, and here in this blog also I'm gonna show you some of the product which I brought from Temu. I usually prefer Temu because I'm not a very brand conscious girl who usually go for a big brands. I only concern about brand in my shoes and bags, not in a clothes. So yes, let's ready for my two parcel that I brought from a Temu. But before that I'm gonna tell you one more thing, is that this Temu parcel which I get it is one parcel is totally free, which I'm gonna open it first. And second parcel is I got it around that is a combination of a two order, and that is the two order each is $20, which I got it just because these are into offer. And how I got these offer and how I got these less this kind of bunch amount of things in a very cheap price, I tell you. Well, I opened this parcel, so let's. Finally you can see that how big these parcels are, and I'm gonna tell you this one, the one I'm gonna open it is one I got it for a free, whole bunch of the clothes. So one catch here, so I got this parcel for a free, and how I got it I'm gonna tell you. And but one more thing, that with this parcel I also get one more dress for a free, which I already had it. I'm gonna attach the photo here, that which one I got it earlier. And this one is for a free, and how I get it is the game that they have it, that first you have to do like they gonna like just you have to select, pick your whatever you wanted, and then for $0, and then you have to refer some other person, either existing Temu people or any kind for, if it's a new then it's a very good and you get more point, and after completing whole bunch of point you get all the stuff for free. And today I got this parcel, and this whole parcel is for a free, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see that if it's really worth it or not. I'm very concerned about the quality, but the parcel I got it earlier, that dress has a very good quality. Oh my god, that's really a very, the fabric is very good, So let's open it this one and then see what's going to be in this parcel. And I'm excited. The first one is this jeans. I'm gonna put a photo here of the jeans I brought it, and then I'm gonna see if it's really good or not. Clothes are really nice. I really like the other one. I'm gonna open it. Let's come on the other. So the second part which I brought it is the set but at the same time these are the combo sets, and I got a 3 colors. Let's see how's their quality it is, and I'm gonna, these are those. So yeah, now that's pretty nice. I like this. Yeah, and I have a 3 color of it, you know. With this I have this pant, so black ice maybe, right, the color we call it. So this one, and these all 3 are of the same pattern. So other one I have it is again it's a combo set, and at the same time these combo sets are also of a 3 color similar to that one. So I got these kind of top and a pant which is one of a cargo pant, and I really like cargos, you know, whole bunch of it. So I got these referee. I think I have a next person now. Okay, so this. So these, and there's one more parcel that I have it. I'm gonna put the picture here. I'm just lazy enough to bring that dress from my room. So these are my free stuff and free clothes that I have it. Now here, these are the free which you use Temu and play with their whatever they usually give a game kind of stuff, and make sure to complete that task and you will find it definitely. So that's a witness. So now time for open this parcel. You know, most of the things in this are electronic or the beauty products, not the clothes. So and this one is the parcel which I used of like 5 for a free, 2 for a discount, that kind of things. So total I put maybe around $45 to $50 for the whole parcel, but there are a bunch of things here in this which is really like worth it, you know. And but at the same time I'm very nervous about the part if they're gonna work properly or not, because most of them are electronic and I'm gonna obviously use them very like make sure that they don't do any kind of side effect or stuff. So let's open this. After this, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put the picture here where you're gonna see that which kind of game I did, and might be I have a screenshot of it. And so yes, lucky enough to get that. So first thing that I'm gonna get here is this, what it is. Okay, that's what I really need. I'm planning to buy this for like a since, and now finally I got it for a free, so I'm gonna use it. But so that's basically a multifunctional cleaning instrument which we usually use on a face to shut all the dirt particles from your face. We got these kind of nozzles with it, and the wire to use. Our next product is this. Okay, I really a very cute and pretty clutcher in this. And the favorite one is this one. Price. Okay, then again I have these earrings with it. I'm not sure that I really like those or not. And most of them I already had it with me, So I don't know. I think with this I also do had some stuff. Okay, there's one more thing. It's not just a earring. There's one other stuff. Then the another one. Guys, have patience because we have lots of product here. And the other stuff is that ultrasonic skincare. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, it's something that is like you have to check. Okay, and here it is. We can use it by clicking it here. There are the lifting, moisturizing and cleansing are the options here. Okay. Okay, and where we have to do it like this, I'm gonna learn about all these products first, then use it, because I really don't know about their uses. And to charge it, but just look very classy. I hope I'm gonna get beautiful more. Yes. Again. The next one is this dress. That's a jeans, and I put a photo here. Photos. Okay, now I think I'm gonna get a dress only. Not only dress, but for a second. The another one is also a pant. So these pants I brought it on a discount, but all these electronic stuff is on for free, and this pant is also for a free. That's another one. Again, this video is not sponsored, guys. So cute. This one is my favorite. I'm gonna put a photo here. It's an oversized t-shirt. I'm excited to wear it. Two-set dress for office wear. I don't know why I'm obsessed with a brown or shades of a brown. Let's go for other electronic stuff. This one is what? That's a double chin remover that I brought it. It's a V-Face beauty device, which we have to wear it like that, and okay, here you go. Oh god. Instrument which might be gonna be helpful or not. I don't know, even I do had a double chin. I have a little bit of double chin, so let's experiment with it. Okay, I'm gonna wear in front of you. These are some settings also. I can show you. And next, what is this? In India, I got these stuff around 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, but here for free. See, I don't know how to use it. So yeah, this one is also for free. It's a portable oral irrigator. Find your beauty. Okay. To be very honest, I'm not sure that I'm gonna use all these things or not, because I'm too lazy to do self-care. Obviously, first I have to check how I'm gonna use all those things. I really never used these before, and I'm not sure about how I can use it or handle it. So, but yes, this is for your oral. Something that I don't know how to use it. The only thing that I know is where to use that. But yes. Now, next is this. What it is? I think it's glasses. Sunglasses. Yes. So I also get these 3 sunglasses that I really don't find it. I don't think I'm gonna like those. But let's see. If I Tell me in comment how I'm looking like. I don't know. Which most probably I'm gonna get. I'm gonna return it. Show you this. This one is also for the beauty product and neck massage, where you can use this for a neck and the face lifting stuff. What is this? It's a Gushi Yuta. It's a Gucci. I don't think I'm pronouncing it right though. That's so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna use this. Definitely I'm gonna use this. Charger भी हो जाएगा. I really like this one, yaar. After so much of exciting products. Oh god. Now let's see what it is. I really don't know. I don't remember what I ordered. Okay, so this one is something new that I ordered it to whitening your teeth and teeth whitening gels. So I have a gel here. These two are gel, and then you have that's a laser something light. You have to put it like this. Yes, I do have also this one. So yes, this one is another one, the last product of the day, and I don't know. That's what I'm gonna get it here. Let's see. Okay, so this one is electric brush. Yes, I got the electric brush also for a free. Okay, I brought it for a green color. I don't want to be very pinkish, you know. Oh yeah, I have to put it. Oh. Okay, yeah. And with this, I get 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 attachment of the brushes, and I can feel it. That's soft, not so hard. So it's gonna be little, and the charger with it. These all are Chinese products, and because obviously Temu is a Chinese, and with this I also get this case where you can keep it. So yeah, that's all for today. So tell me in a comment how you find my products and how you like the hack getting a free products from a Temu. So stay tuned with my channel, because in this channel I'm gonna tell you basically about the places in overall where I usually visit, and make sure to tell you about the background about those places. And also you can use the code or the link below to get that into that app and get some point and do a shopping, enjoy your life, explore the stuff at a cheap price, and stay tuned and subscribe me please, and I see you later.